Data visualization strategy and its importance. Data visualization helps with understanding and decision-making by transforming data into visual forms. Its approach uses methodical techniques to deliver data in an engaging and educational manner. Diverse visualization.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Techniques simplify huge data, improving understanding and enabling well-informed decision-making. By making actionable outcomes along with the insights, these strategies help organizations find the benefits of their data resources. Building strong data visualization strategies acts as a major tool for analysis and communication, helping businesses gain competitive advantages in the competitive data-driven field. Importance of a data visualization strategy. Businesses in the modern world need to have a solid data visualization strategy. It helps us make sense of and use of complex data by decision makers. Teams can stay competitive in flexible markets by making timely, well-informed decisions with a suitable plan in place. Data visualization strategies. Effective methods for communicating and analyzing data are based on data visualization. Data visualization strategies include a variety of techniques and tools designed to draw findings from raw information and visually highlight those observations. Here are a few crucial strategies. Customer experience (CX). In order to acquire practical insights, working to improve feedback from customers' experience (CX) involves visualizing behavior and preferences. Businesses can deliver personalized experiences and develop customer loyalty by using the data visualization techniques to identify trends, pain points, and opportunities. Marketing departments. Marketing teams can track with success of their campaigns, assess demographics of their audience, and identify market trends help of data visualization. By the use of key metrics visualization, such as ROI and marketing strategies, marketers can effectively allocate funds, optimize their strategies, and improve business outcomes. Finance. Risk management, portfolio monitoring, and trends throughout finance are all made possible by data visualization. It supports stakeholders in recognizing opportunities, comprehending market dynamics, and making wise investment choices. Using a visual aid to navigate the financial sector strategically increases the confidence and agility. Bar graph. Bar graphs offer a versatile means to compare categorical data or track changes over time. Their intuitive design simplifies the visualization of quantitative information, enabling decision-makers to discern trends and patterns quickly and effortlessly. Line charts. Line charts excel in illustrating trends over time, ideal for various applications like tracking sales, monitoring market shifts, or analyzing scientific trends. They provide a succinct yet potent method to depict continuous data, facilitating easy identification of underlying patterns and trends. Pie charts. Pie charts are effective for illustrating proportions within a dataset. They offer a simple and visually appealing way to represent data distributions, making it easy to understand the relative contributions of different categories or segments. Scatter plot. For investigating variable relationships, data exploration, and hypothesis testing, scatter plots are indispensable. They help with in-depth analysis and in very well decision-making by displaying correlations, clusters, and exceptions when data points have been plotted on a grid. Data visualization benefits. The benefits of data visualization include processes of huge datasets by providing insight and a graphic. Helps stakeholders quickly identify patterns, trends, and outliers, which facilitates decision-making and problem-solving. Improves cooperation and communication by effectively presenting information and engaging stakeholders through enhances narrative and persuasion in presentations by offering powerful images that efficiently communicate important ideas and empowers organizations to effectively leverage data assets and produce actionable outcomes, enabling data-driven innovation and strategic planning. Upskill your data visualization approaches with Sprint Seal. The Big Data Hadoop and Spark Developer Certification training from Sprint Seal is specifically made to help professionals advance their knowledge of data analysis and visualization. They will learn skills using Hadoop ecosystem tools to manage and visualize large datasets effectively, as well as learn about industry-specific modules.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.